So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Electro Explorer. Today with me I have the restoration of the Crompton Greaves Senorita Pista Green color 48 inches ceiling fan. So this is from the box logo. You can see the box embossed on the motor upper cover, and also let me tell you, this is box plus box plus hand logo, as this is from the year 1996 as per my father, as this was in my old house with other senoritas. I wonder why, like, 1996 actually hand logo period was going on and then box logo was manufactured. So like this is the transition model. So like this is a really good motor. This is exact same motor of the Jura, Aura, Avancer, and like Amor and Senoprime, Senorita. So like it's the exact same motor with 380 rpm. Just airflow is 225 because of the blades. The blades are like the leaf shaped. Because of the blades only it does not give more airflow. So let me show you the blades. If I put the Jura blades on this motor, then it will give 230 cmm, surely I can say. So these are the blades. Canopies are these. So like both canopies are in OEM condition. So you can see the blade is completely like scratches and all, and the paint is like faded up, and like you might not notice it is faded or no. After painting you will understand. You can see now I've cleaned it, but still there are many stains, like they have become permanent. Like if I would have washed them, then the paper label or the specification would have come out. This will be removed with the sandpaper only, no issues. I'm gonna cover that Senorita written specification label with a tape, and then this decos will be cleaned. Plastic decos will be rubbed with sandpaper too well, so that they become rough with scratches and paint settles. This is the stator. This is exactly same. You can put the stator in the Jura or a Avancer if you want, if they're damaged. So you can see 1996 is written clearly, Senorita CG 1996. So here also deco you can see. So like this is a really rare piece, because in hand logo that was different design, and now like suddenly this was the first year when Crompton started producing such motor. This was Senorita first. In box logo Aura came. So like now what I'm gonna do is, I'm not removing the complete paint from the blade because it's impossible. So what I'm gonna do is just rub that. The gloss finish will go. It will be just matte finish. That's really enough, because it has like a lot of scratches. That paint will be like very proper. So don't go in like removing all the paint. That will be really very tough task and impossible almost, because paint was thick and this was premium quality fan in hand logo. And like you can see the difference. That blade is not yet sanded. You might think it is still dirty, I have not cleaned, but yes, I have cleaned it, but still the stains are all permanent. So after sanding there is no stain anything. You can see that deco part is also like equally same like the blade. Now with this matte finish. So like let me do it with all blades. Now the lower cover also, like as I told, the fan is premium like the Aura, Jura present ones. Because of the premium quality paint, the whole paint will not go like the edges and all. So like as far as possible I will do it. So this is done like as far as possible, it's enough. Now I have a tip. So like as you can see from the side here, this paint is getting chipped off, you can clearly see. So what I'm gonna do is, I will not remove it with this water paper first. I'm gonna use another technique. So like for cleaning that, for removing that all messy paint, you have to take a scissor or knife, hold it in this way, and then start scratching it in this way. What will happen, you can see powdering part coming out. What will happen, the extras like the swollen part will come out, and then for leveling it you can just water paper it from side for perfect level and smoothness. So you can see I put a newspaper so that paint does not go inside. As far as possible, the paint is completely faded. You can see now it's like very light pista green. Same I did with the canopies, and everything is standard now. I did with the decos also, but that is not shooted. Now let me arrange them together for painting. So like this is the brown paint. I added a white bit, it was more, so I realized later. I put dark brown now, so you can see chocolatey color. So you can see, let me show you whole paint fan. So you can see it's looking really awesome. Like I was failing to like eat it because it's completely chocolate finish. You can also like buy this paint. It's looking really awesome. I have no words to say how good it is looking. It's like at end, I hope the end product will be really awesome. So like let me keep it for drying. So now you can see I've put the I've painted the down rod gray color, and like the canopy is set. I almost left it for 14 to 15 hours for drying, and that is necessary as it is oil paint. So blades, I have put the decos on the blades. The blades I have not yet painted because I thought that they were looking good, but like still, let me see. If I feel, I will paint them at last. So let's assemble the motor. You can see here the motor assembling is a bit difficult because the paint will have thumbprints. I'm not yet sure that it is completely dried because brown color takes a lot of time to dry. I had a very bad experience because there was thumbprints on my the lower cover. I need to paint it again. So like the motor is completely assembled. What I did is I did finishing what was damaged and all damaged paint. Then I left more 12 hours for drying for precaution. So I painted the downward white because that silver color wasn't matching and looking bad. So I hung it. You might think the downward is white and it's really awesome, but the blades are looking faded. You can see the blade is looking odd. The whole fan is good, but the blades are odd. So I felt I should paint the blades also. So I will paint the blades white in the same way I did with downward. So let me do it and let me show you. See this. So blades are I said that enough is I don't need to sand it much. So you can see finishing is really awesome. If I sand only little also, it's looking good. No any stains on the blade. They are looking awesome. Groove is also visible. This groove is more in Senorita. So let me switch the fan on for performance. So guys, I'm really sorry I couldn't shoot the sound of the fan, but it is 380 rpm. You have to hear the sound, you have to hear the airflow, voice noise cutting, air cutting noise, and the other performance. Then I will surely upload the video of the review before restoration part. I had already shot that 2 months prior, so I will put that one video. Please do check that, and I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. So do like, share, comment and subscribe if you like the restoration. I hope you liked it. I took very efforts. Please do subscribe. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.